Do you want to make a twist wig but just don't want to go through the hassle of making a closure first? Well, I got you. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a twist wig without a closure. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. And just in case you didn't know, my name is Stella Simbi and welcome. So let's get into the tutorial. So I've already sewn my Swissless on my wig cap and this is how it's looking like, and I'm going to be using 6.5 packs of Darling 1 million braids in color 35. So I'm going to stretch the ends and then I'm going to show you how to do the crochet micro twist on your leg. So make sure you're wearing leggings or tight, whatever you have. Don't do this directly on your skin because you get inflammation. So hold your braid in here in half and make sure all the sizes are equal. Place your hand on top like that and you're going to roll the hair towards you and you're going to flip like this and twist. So you do the flipping method at the beginning of your twist so that it will go to the direction that you want it to go, and the rest of the twist you just twist and let go of the hair and it will just follow direction. So make sure at the beginning of your twist you are twisting it towards the direction you want your twist to go. So the rest of the twist, make sure you separate the hair before you place your hand on top and roll like that, and then you let go of your twist and it will just naturally twist like that, guys. This method is really quick. I'm telling you guys, this method if you're a wig maker, do this, guys. Do this method. It's really quick. You just twist them on your leg like this. In less than 5 seconds you are done, and then the crocheting process is really quick again. So do this and it will make your life easier than twisting with your hand all the way from the top to the down. Like, it's too much, guys. It's too much. These micro twists are a lot of work, and doing this leg method, it's so much easier. So make sure you do this until the ends, and make sure you separate your hair like that before you place your hand and roll. Yeah, like that, guys. As simple as that, you are done. You are done with your micro twist, guys. A full detailed tutorial on how to make this micro twist on your leg is linked right here on the screen, and it will also be linked in the description. So now on the installation, you're going to pass your crochet through like that, and then you're going to hook on your loop of your twist, and then you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to go to the ends of your twist, and then you're going to pull it through your loop like that, guys. So easy to install. So I'm going to be using my finger as the spacing in between. So right here below, you're going to space your twist like this, and then you reduce the spacing as you go up. So just hook your twist, then pass it through your loop and tie your knot like that. Space again with your finger and then pass your crochet through your wig cap, and then you're going to hook your twist on the loop, and then you're going to pull it through, and then go to the ends of your twist and hook and pull it through like that. So I'm going to continue to do this and I will talk when necessary. You can continue with that line, and on the second line, guys, I'm going to be using my finger again like this, and then I'm going to go and crochet in between the gap in the previous line. So in between right there, then you're going to crochet it, and then you're going to continue to use your finger as your spacing, guys, and like that. And then you're going to pass your crochet through, and then you're going to hook your twist and pull it through, and then go to the ends and pull it through your loop to tie and knot, guys. So continue doing this spacing from below right here going up to this point right here, and then after that, the point from here going up, you're going to reduce your spacing. So like this, guys, as you can see right here, I've reduced my spacing and I'm doing this more closer to each other so that the back will be covered. And you really want more braids right on this part right here at the back. You want more braids because you don't want your wig to be opening and showing what's inside when you're wearing your wig. You want everything to be covered, so more braids will be focused on this part right here at the back than the sides. So you're going to hook your twist, pass it through, then you're going to tie your knot. So I'm going to continue to do this. On this thick part right here, I'm going to be using the needle method, guys. So if you're having an issue with your crochet breaking, you can use this method to do this part right here. So just go to the ends of your twist, then put it on your needle, and then you're going to pass your needle through your wig cap like that, and then you're going to pass it through your loop, and then you're going to pull the rest of your twist. So just pull like that, remove the needle, and then pull the rest of your twist to tie a knot. And you can also use this method to do your entire wig. I do have a tutorial on how to make a twist wig using only a needle. I'm going to link that in the description. So if you can trust your crochet that is strong enough, you can still do the same method you were doing at the back. But just to be safe, use the needle method to do this thick part of the wig cap right here. So just take your twist, and then you're going to put it on your needle, and then pass your needle through your wig cap, and then go to the loop of your twist, then pass your needle through the loop of your twist like that, and then you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to remove your needle, and then you're going to pull through your twist to tie a knot. Yeah, so like I said before, I do have a detailed tutorial on this needle method. So check out my twist wig playlist, guys. I have so many ways to do twist wigs, so check them out, you won't regret. So just pass it through like that, and then remove your needle, and then you're going to pull the rest of your twist to tie a knot, guys. It's just the same as using a crochet. So if you don't have a crochet, you can use a needle instead. So I'm just going to continue covering the space, and then we're going to be doing the lace part of the wig.
Change my mind. What is getting deep now? What is getting deep now? Follow me around. Yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah. Baby, let me down.
When you start doing the lace part, you want to make a line, like a guide where your hairline is going to end. So this is the twist. I'm going to be counting 7 lines, and then I'm going to pass my crochet through. Right here I'm just starting, and the next line is going to be 7 lines, like those vertical lines on your lace. I'm going to be counting 7 lines. That is the gap in between my lines, and then I will reduce when I go near the parting. Near the parting I was doing 6 lines in between. So just twist like that, and then I'm going to be counting 7 lines after twisting this one. So I'm just going to be taking my crochet and then counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'm going to pass my crochet through on that point, and I'm going to take my braiding hair and pull it through. So just turn your crochet like that, pass it through your lace, and be careful when you're doing this, you can easily rip your lace, so be careful. Yeah, so just take your braiding hair, put it on, and then you're going to pull through one side only, and make sure both sides are equal before you start twisting, and then you're going to twist going down. And guys, the crochet that I'm using right here is not for hair ventilation. It's not for air ventilation. It leaves big holes. So when you're doing twist, that those holes, they will be covered with the twist, and there won't be any gap showing. But if you want to do like a hair wig, if you want to ventilate hair on your legs, don't use this crochet. Use a ventilating needle instead. So the only reason I'm using this, like I said before, the holes won't be showing. It will be covered completely with the hair that I've put right there. So just twist both sides like that, and then I'm going to continue twisting until the other side. So make sure you stand on the direction where your twist is going to lay. When I'm doing the other side, I will be standing on the other side. And yeah, this is how it's looking. And just continue crocheting, following the shape that you want your hairline to be. As you can see, my line is not straight, it's curved out a little bit, yeah, like a widow's peak, but not too much. So I'm going to be crocheting this crochet twist until this point right here, and then I'll do the same method I was doing at the front. Yeah, so well, we want everything to be quick, but if you want to use this method throughout the entire part at the top, I do have a tutorial on that. I'm going to link that in the description so that you can check it out. So now let's crochet this. So you can crochet this from the back coming forward and just pull it through like that, and then you tie your knot, or you can do sideways. I prefer sideways when I'm doing this method, so I'm going to show you next. So just pull it through, and then you're going to tie your knot. Yeah, so for doing it sideways, you're going to pass your crochet through, going from your right to your left, and then you're going to hook your twist on the loop, and then you're going to pull it through. So just hook right there, and then you're going to pull it through and go to the ends of your twist, and then you're going to pull it through your loop, and then you're going to tie a knot. So guys, like I said before, I'm going to do this method until I reach the point where I want to crochet and twist right there on the wig. So I'm going to let you watch. And yeah guys, if you're new, please subscribe and join the family and learn how to make wigs. Yeah, so just continue doing this, and guys, make sure you follow the lines at the back. You can measure the spacing with your eyes, because it's easier to space when we're counting the vertical, and the vertical you can count them easily when you're doing the sides. So at the back, just make sure it is closer to each other, and on the sides, like I said before, below I was spacing 7 lines, and on the top I was spacing 6 lines, 6 vertical lines. Vertical lines, I mean those lines on your legs that are going from the back to the front. So this is how it's looking like, and then I'm going to start crocheting my braiding here and twisting right here. So just pass your braiding here through and pull one side through, and make sure the braiding here is equal on both sides, and then you're going to twist. So the space remaining right here on the top, I'm going to be doing this method to cover everything. So guys, this is the first line, this is how it's looking. This is the second line, how it's looking. The third line, how it's looking. And this is the last line. So on my parting, guys, I do leave 2 vertical lines for the parting space, and then in between my twist I'm skipping 1 hole, and like that guys. So make sure the parting area, you can skip 2 lines or 1. Yeah, but I just do 2 lines, and in between the twist you are skipping 1 row so that your twist can be closer to each other and cover all the gaps. So just continue doing the same thing and crocheting your twist closer to each other so that it will look nice. So make sure you follow your lines and continue doing the same thing. Like I said before, this gap in between this last line and the line behind it, it's 6, and that 6 includes the line that I'm passing through my crochet, guys. So 6, and then in between the twist is 1 hole so that my twist can be closer to each other. Yeah, so I'm just going to continue to do the same thing, and I'll finish the ends when I'm done twisting. So I didn't show the part where I finished the ends. I just did it off camera, finishing the ends and dipping the hair in the hot water with conditioner, and you'll be done, guys. You'll be done. So easy. So if you prefer a twist wig with closure, I do have a tutorial on that, and I'm going to be linking it in the description so that you can check it out. But if you prefer the one without closure, then this tutorial was for you. So just pass your braiding hair through and then pull one side through, and then make sure both sides are equal, and then you can start twist, and make sure you're twisting both sides so that your twist can be stronger and it will look more nicer and not loose. So just continue twist, 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 twist. And yeah, let me know, guys, what you think about this tutorial. Let me know if you like it, and if you've seen the one with the closure, let me know which one you prefer between this one without a closure and the other one with a closure. And like I said before, if you don't have this crochet, I do have a tutorial on how to do this with a needle, how to make the entire wig using a needle only, guys. So that tutorial is going to be in the description also. And to make it easier, just check out the playlist on how to make a twist wig, and you find out more tips right there, guys. So just continue. Make sure you're skipping one row in between the twist, and then you're passing your crochet through the lines that you left from the line behind to this line. Yeah, so you're just going to continue to do that, and you're going to pull through your braiding here, and then pull one side through, and then you're going to start twisting both sides to make your twist stronger. So twist, 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 twist. And guys, as you can see, there's a braiding rag behind me right there. It's a DIY braiding rag. I do have a tutorial on how to make that using rulers and nail rims, guys. So that tutorial is also going to be in the description, just in case you don't have a braids rag. You can use that DIY method instead. As you can see, it's doing the job, guys. It's doing the job. So just continue doing your twist. And yeah, guys, check out the tutorial. As you can see, my braids are organized, and it's making it easier and quicker for me to do my wig. So if you haven't watched the tutorial, check it out. I do have, guys, some DIY tutorials that you can follow and make your life easier. So for the last one, we're going to pass your crochet through, and then we're going to be taking our braiding here, and then we're going to pull it through. So take your braiding hair like that on your DIY braiding rag, of course. And then you're going to pull one side through, and then you're going to start twisting both sides to make sure that your twist is stronger. Yeah, so just twist, 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 twist. And when you're done twisting, guys, just push your twist inside to make the parting appear a little smaller. So just do that. And guys, this is the final look. Do let me know what you think about this tutorial in the comment section down below. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join the family. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. You are the best. Do like this video, share and comment, guys. Thank you so much to each and every one of you who have been commenting on my videos. I really appreciate you guys taking your time to type and comment. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.